y'all, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do a really fun, just casual what I eat in a day video. I am now on a new fitness journey trying to get snatched in 2019. So along with working out, I have pretty much changed my entire meal plan to kind of fit my needs. And all these meals are very healthy. However, they are super easy and quick to make, and also they taste really good. I'm not sure about y'all, but for me, whenever I commit to eating healthy, the food has to taste good. It has to taste just as good as unhealthy food, because if not, I won't stick to it, and I just can't do it. I can't do the dry food. I can't do like the unseasoned food. It has to taste like bomb. So all these meals really taste like they're really satisfying. They taste really good, but they are very healthy. So I hope you guys really enjoy and find it helpful. Before we get into it, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Care Of. They are such an amazing company. And if you guys don't know what Care Of is, it is a monthly subscription vitamin service that delivers completely personalized vitamins and supplements right to your front door. And with Care Of, you are able to build a vitamin routine that is made just for you and your health goals. And so the way Care Of works is that you go on their website, you take a really fun and easy quiz that asks you questions about your lifestyle, your diet, your health goals, all these different things. It takes about like 5 minutes. It's super easy. And from there, it'll find your personal scientific backed vitamin and supplement recommendations. And the best part is, once you decide on what vitamins and supplements you want to use, your personalized Care Of box subscription will be sent to your front door every single month with personalized daily packs, which is perfect for a busy on-the-go lifestyle. And don't worry if you are vegan or vegetarian, there are supplement options for you available as well that are available to match your dietary needs. So do something good for your health in 2019 and subscribe to Care Of, which makes it easy to stick to your health-related resolutions. I love using Care Of, and if you guys want to try it out for yourself and take advantage of this month's New Year's special, for 50% off of your first month of personalized vitamins, go to takecareof.com and enter promo code AliciaW50. And of course, a link to the website and also the promo code information is also down below. All right, you guys, so let's get started with breakfast. So breakfast is honestly my most favorite meal of the day. And lately for breakfast, I've been making these egg white bites. They are so yummy. So first thing I do is I chop up 6 cups of spinach, which ends up being pretty much that entire bucket of spinach sitting there. And so I just do like little batches, and I just blend up a good amount of spinach in the blender. And of course, just kind of pour all of the chopped spinach out of the blender. And this is how the spinach looks after I've chopped up 6 cups. So once I've done that, I go ahead and add 3 cups of egg whites to that same bowl where the spinach is in. So I'm pretty much going to mix all these ingredients together. And then lastly, you'll want to take a good amount of turkey sausage crumbles. I kind of just eyeball to see exactly how much turkey sausage I want to use. So I don't have a specific amount, but I do want to make sure it's a good amount of turkey sausage, because I feel like one, that adds to the flavor a lot when it comes to the egg white bites, and 2, it just also helps you to get your protein in the morning. And then lastly, I just pour a little bit of the egg white bite mix into a muffin pan, just little by little. It ends up making about 12 muffins, so you should be exactly on the mark with that. And then I just bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes, and that's pretty much it, y'all. Along with eating a couple of the egg white bites, I also like to make a half a cup of steel cut oats. And of course, this is super simple. I just pour a half a cup into a bowl. I pour a little bit of almond milk, stir it all together, and then put it in the microwave for about 2.5 minutes. And once my oatmeal is out the microwave, I'll just add a decent amount of cinnamon. I can go heavy-handed with cinnamon because I just love it so much. So I'll do that, and then add some stevia, a pack of stevia to my oatmeal, stir it all together, and there goes my steel cut oats, along with 2 egg white bites. And of course, the rest of the egg white bites that I did make are saved for the rest of the week. And then I like to take my Care Of vitamins with my breakfast, so that way I'm not taking vitamins on an empty stomach. And again, if you guys want to try Care Of for yourself and take advantage of this month's New Year's special, go ahead and visit takecareof.com and enter promo code AliciaW50. All right, so now on to my post workout. So after I get done sweating and getting in a good workout, I like to drink a protein shake. And so I'll use this protein here, but of course, any protein would be just fine. And I take a scoop of that, mix it with some water, and I am good to go. So for lunch, I like to keep things super duper simple. And usually I'll do like a frozen thing of tilapia or salmon. I just take this frozen pack of peppercorn tilapia, which by the way tastes so good. I'll just pop two in the oven. And you're probably wondering, why do I eat the frozen kind instead of just getting fresh tilapia and seasoning it myself? Honestly, y'all, it's because I'm tired. I only have energy to really put effort into breakfast and dinner, and lunch I just let it be. I'll also pop in the steamable bag of broccoli cuts. I actually use this brand a lot, and I typically get their broccoli cuts and their asparagus. They both taste really good, and for me, I'm very picky with what greens I eat. So with vegetables, I typically stick to what I know. And as you guys saw, I also went ahead and add some pepper to kind of help season the broccoli just a little bit. And so after I've done that, I go ahead and add my cooked tilapia, my broccoli, and a little bit of leftover rice to my plate. And that's it. We can't forget our snack, and typically I'll get some kind of whole fruit, either apple, pear, banana, something of that nature, and it always satisfies my sugar craving. So that's why I always get some kind of fruit. All right, so last but not least is dinner, which I love going all in for dinner because I don't know, after a long day of work, it's satisfying to eat a really tasty dinner. So first, I'm gonna start off with warming up these Alexia sweet potato fries. They are so good, y'all. If y'all have not tried them, give them a try. We'll also be eating chicken wings, which is probably my favorite entree at the moment. I'm like addicted to these things, y'all. So I like to make a lemon pepper parmesan rub for the chicken wings. And so I just added in like a half a cup of Parmesan, a good amount of lemon pepper, and then of course I mix that all together first. Next, I tossed each chicken wing in the rub, and before I did this, I made sure that each wing was patted dry just to make sure that the Parmesan and lemon pepper would stick to the wings. So I went ahead and did that, and I do batches of four. So I do four wing in each batch in the air fryer. And let me just tell y'all, if y'all don't have an air fryer, I highly recommend getting one. It's life changing. Like, you can make so many things in this thing, and it's a much healthier alternative to frying any kind of food. So get you one, girl. I like to cook my wings for about 15 minutes in the air fryer at 350 degrees, and halfway through I do like to turn them just to make sure that all sides do get crispy. But as y'all can see, it's only been sitting in the air fryer for about like 7 minutes or so, and this is how the wings look here. So just y'all, just wait and see how good they look after the full 15 minutes. All right, so our air fried wings are done, and typically I'll eat two wings at a time. I don't have the biggest stomach, so two wings is just fine for me. I also go ahead and add my sweet potato fries and also some broccoli from earlier, and that is our dinner. It tastes so good, it looks so good. So yeah, I really enjoy this meal. Hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day video. If you guys have any questions, please go ahead and comment them down below. And as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, guys.